Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to Fuchs-Peier's Cipher.
In this video, we will learn the shark harmonic pattern step by step using Fibonacci. Bearish shark harmonic pattern. All harmonic patterns consist of X, A, B, C, and D legs. First, we need an anchor leg, also known as the X to A leg. Second, to find point B, take Fibonacci retracement from X to A. The retracement will occur between 0.382 and cannot exceed 0.618 level. Third, to find point C, take Fibonacci retracement from A to B. The retracement will cross or test 1.13 to 1.618. Fourth, to find point D, take Fibonacci retracement from X to C. The reversal zone will be between 0.886 to 1.13. This zone is the potential reversal zone, and price should retest and reverse here. Now, take profit and stop loss. For take profit, take Fibonacci retracement from C to D. Target 1 is 0.382, target 2 is 0.5, target 3 is 0.618. For stop loss, take Fibonacci retracement from X to A. Stop loss will be at X and D.